Good day viewers at home, welcome to my channel. Another request was just made by a subscriber on how to achieve these beautiful sleeves. In this video, I'm going to teach you step-by-step approach on how to achieve these beautiful sleeves without any error. The calculations and everything needed to be known. Here you just have to fix your button and then you have your beautiful results. So without wasting too much of your time, so let's cut to the chase. I'll be using this material for the sake of this tutorial. The first thing you are going to do is just to calculate your sleeves, the measurements you are going to use. The back I'm going to be using for this tutorial is 18. The back is 18. Don't forget it is going to be divided into 2. That is going to be 9. So that 9 you are going to add allowance, whatever allowance you are interested in using. So here I'll be adding 1 inch allowance, so making 10. Don't forget it is 9 initially, so I'll be having 10. You can see I have 10 here. So we will now add for this one, that's the first part. So the other side, the remaining side, you are going to have 3 inches extra to the other parts. 3 inches extra. So then you are going to cut it that way. So the total I have now is now 11.5. 11.5. So when you must have achieved that, so the next thing you are going to do is just to return it to the normal. Then with extra 3 inches. Now fold it to the other side. Then don't forget my measurement, what I have. So sorry, there was power outage, so I have to switch to generator. So let's continue the class now. So the next thing you are going to do after you must have folded this way is to take your cuff measurement. So now I have my cuff here. So here is my cuff. So whatever you want to use your cuff for. My cuff is I want to use 5.5 now as my cuff. I want to use 5.5. Let us assume I'm using 5.5 as my cuff now. So the next thing you are going to do is just to divide it by 2. If you divide it by 2, this is what you have. I have 2.5 quarter. Then you will now add 1 inch extra. 1 inch extra. This 1 inch is what you are going to use to fold it. 1 inch extra. So the total I have now is 3.5 quarter. 3.5 quarter. This 3.5 quarter now is what I'm going to take straight up, and that is where I'm cutting out. This extra 1 inch I added, that is my folding. So I have 3.5 quarter. You cut it out. So the next thing you are going to do, don't forget this is the rough side. Don't forget this is the rough side. So the next thing you are going to do is just to fold by 1 inch. You fold to the rough side. Don't forget. So this one too, fold it by 1 inch. And then don't forget to weave it. Just weave the edge and this. So this is what we have after weaving. So the next thing you are going to do is just to fold
your cough. Fold it by whatever allowance you want to use. So the next thing you are going to do is just to place this bigger one on this smaller one. So I want it to be this way. So you place it this way. Using that 1 inch allowance, you can see the traces of this. So use that 1 inch allowance to place it. So let it ride. And the next thing you are going to do is just to put hemming gum. Apply hemming gum there. So you start from this, depending on how wide the slits to be. How wide you want the slits to be. So but 6 is okay. 6 is okay. So you leave the space of 6 inches. Then you place this. So the next thing you are going to do is just to go to the machine. Then you are going to sew this. Don't forget this one terminates here at this point. So you are going to sew this place. You sew it. So, and before we go to the sewing machine, make sure you apply hemming gum here, so that as to have great finishing. Don't forget we have this. And then if you want to sew, don't forget you are going to sew this. This is what you have. You are going to sew this place. But before you do that, make sure you apply hemming gum here at this other side. The side with the smaller parts, apply hemming gum there. So here is the results. You can see when I sew this, it's sew on this part. So then you turn it. This is what we have. Iron it very well. Then now apply hemming gum on that part too. Apply hemming gum here as well. And you are almost done with it. Apply hemming gum. Here is what we have now. What you are going to do now, you can now come back, take your measurements, so now you can come back, take your necessary measurements and come out with your slips. Please um don't forget to like and share, please. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, and most importantly, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload useful video, you will always get notified. So you can now come out with your sleeves and the other lights and the lights. So you can bring out your sleeves depending on your preferred choice. Don't forget here, I said I use 5.5. Then you can add your 1.5 inch as allowance. Then you come out with your results and you are done. So we are going to sew with this, and then you have your results. Please don't forget to subscribe, and then don't forget to like and share.